Hi Air Signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong daily gabay for February 9, 2024. Ayan, so this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay and pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Energies for the day. Knowledge. You are learning a lot. O may studies din kayo. Or maaring meron kayong minamaster ngayon na kaalaman, no? To improve your life. Pwedeng meron din kayong mga gusto pang pag-aralan na very much interested kayo. Yung iba, ito ay impluwensya sa inyo ng family member, tipong lolo-lola mo. Na ipinapasa sa'yo. Na ikaw yung magpatuloy nung tradisyon ng family. True love come to me. So yung iba sa inyo, you are manifesting a relationship. You also have grace. Blessings are coming in. So some of you really wants to have a relationship na talagang parang gustong-gusto mo. Someone na you will be very inspired, no? And I feel like you are already surrounded with people na talagang you are really connecting with, no? So maaring marami kayong kaibigan ngayon. You are networking. And possible, no? I'm seeing someone might be very interested in you. Or maaring ikaw na igiging interesado ka sa isa sa mga kaibigan mo. At iniisip mo, pwede kaya? Ganon. So, there's also blessing coming in sa inyo, especially sa mga creative work ninyo, or if you are working with other people, like group work, ganyan, may mga blessings. Okay, so let's see your overall energy. See, meron talaga may crush, oo, Page of Cups, may love offer. Okay, you have the Queen of Wands, and then the Seven of Cups. Okay. So, for you, air signs, you are networking. You are connecting with a lot of people. Siguro marami kayong kakilala ngayon. Marami kayong nagiging friends, acquaintances. So, parang na siya, no? Connect na, ganun. Yung kaibigan mo, may kaibigan, tapos papakilala ka. And then, maraming circle of friends. Okay, so some of you, maaring you will be traveling a lot, no? Sa pagta-travel niyo na yan, marami kayong makikilala pang mga bagong connections. And there is someone na may crush sa iyo, or ikaw yung may crush sa kanya. But somehow, dito sa connection na to, pwedeng na may nako-confuse kung ano ba talaga yung totoong feelings. Kasi pwedeng hindi to pinapakita. Yung tipong dinadaan sa biro, hindi mo alam kung seryoso ba. Oo. So, let's see your money, career, finances, energy. You have the 10 of Wands. So, ang dami nyong trabaho ngayon. Alam nyo, sa group work, laging group work yung sinasabi ko kasi it really makes sense na with the 3 of Pentacles, tapos may 3 of Cups dito. Meron kayong mga ginagawa na hindi lang ikaw yung kasama mo rito. It's a group energy, group effort, no? Na magiging matagumpay kayo dyan. Okay? So, mahirap man yung pinagdaanan ninyo, pero all's well, no? Lahat magiging okay for you. And then, maaring marami ka ring responsibility ngayon sa trabaho. Maaring meron kang training ngayon. You are being trained to level up your position sa trabaho. Yung iba nagiging OIC sa trabaho nila kasi pine-prepare kayo para maging supervisor, manager, or mag-lead ng isang team. And some of you naman, may mga achievements kayo sa work, sa team, yung tipong na-hit nyo yung goal ninyo for the month. So, ngayon, may mga celebration at may mga awards, ganyan. So, binibigyan kayo ng rewards ng company. So, sabi rito, do not settle for anything less than what you deserve. Kasi pwedeng may mga offers ngayon na ito, tanggapin mo, mas maganda to. So, tingnan mo, i-balance mo kung talagang meron kang makukuha doon sa bagong ino-offer sa'yo. Kasi pwedeng sa una lang maganda yung offer, pero yung ibang benefits doon ka pala titipirin. Oo. So, using a scientific method and solving a problem. So, yung iba sa inyo, kayo ay nasa science o kaya technology, and I feel like marami pang mag-o-open na opportunities sa inyo, especially if you are in the tech industry. So, maraming kumbaga hindi nyo kailangang parang maliitin yung sarili nyo na hanggang dito lang ako, ito lang yung kaya ko, kasi maraming opportunities sa paligid ninyo. Kailangan nyo lang hanapin or mag-explore, and I think sa pagdadagdag nyo ng knowledge, this is also adding value, no, sa kung ano yung kaya mong i-deliver pagdating sa career mo eh. So, sa love life naman, you have the 6 of Cups. Okay, there's an energy from the past. Pwedeng magme-message sa'yo to. Magugulat ka na lang, nag-DM na, or nag-email tong person na to. This person is, lagi kanya naiisip. Siguro meron siyang realization na ng mga naging pagkukulang niya sa'yo, or naisip niya compared doon sa mga naging karelasyon din niya, ikaw ay naiiba. So, itong person na to, pwede siyang magte-take siya ng risk or magte-take ng chance kung bibigyan mo pa siya ng pagkakataon na bumalik sa buhay mo. Kasi nararamdaman niya may feelings ka pa. Even you can't decide, no? Hindi mo matanggihan. Pag nag-message, tatanungin mo, bakit nagpaparamdam ka? Yung mga ganon. Syempre, kung ayaw mo na talaga dyan, definitely, hindi mo napapansinin. Oh my God, tinan mo yan, flirting. Oy, soulmate. Pwede may soulmate connection dito. Yeah, makes sense kasi yung 6 of Cups is also a soulmate energy. So, pwedeng ganon, may realization siya na soulmate ka niya, and ikaw na-realize mo rin na kung babalik siya, bibigyan mo ng chance, kung meron pa ring spark, you still feel the same feeling that you had before. Pwede kasing hindi naman pwede kasing hindi naman masama yung pag-e-end ng relationship ninyo. Pwedeng nung time na yon, hindi lang talaga, kumbaga wrong timing lang nung panahon na yon. But now, pwedeng may nag-open up na opportunity sa inyo to bring yourselves together. But of course, at the end of the day, it's your decision. Okay? So that is your reading, air signs. Thank you so much. Bye!